back to my channel Master Mathematics by Shaiji Mohandas. Today in this video I included about the chapter trigonometry. It is useful for SSLC coming examination. Important questions. From the figure ABCD is a square. Find its sides, find its area, find its perimeter. Here given one figure, square. Diagonal is given 10. Here we have to find sides, area and perimeter. Second one is from the figure sin x is 0.8, find cos x. These are the two questions given. This is a variety question. Let us see how to find. In the square, what is the speciality of a square? Square means two sides are equal. But here given only diagonal. So from the diagonal, how to find the sides? How to find the sides? Sides means four sides are equal in a square. That everybody know. But in case of diagonal is given, first one D is equal to here 10 centimeter is given. Here we want to find the side means side of a square. Side of a square equal to here D by root 2. D by root 2 is the formula. D by root 2. That means here side means we can write it as A. Oh, A. That means A is equal to D. What is here D? 10 by root 2. That means 10 by root 2 meaning we can write it as a 5 into 2 by root 2. Okay? That means 5 into 2 can be written as in root 2 into root 2 is 2, no? Yes. So this is root 2. So this 2 root 2 cancel. 5 root 2 centimeter is the side of a square. What is the formula? D. Side of the square is equal to diagonal by root 2. Diagonal by root 2. Otherwise we can write it as a root 2 equal to D. D is equal to side root 2 into side. That's the formula. From that we got the side is 5 root 2. Next here this is over. Next find its area. What is the area? Area of a square is equal to what is the area of a square? Area of square is equal to side into side. Side into side or a square. That means here 5 root 2 is here side. That is whole square. That is equal to 5 square is 25. 25 into 250. Centimeter square. 50 centimeter square is the area of the square. Next here find its perimeter. What is its perimeter? Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into A. So perimeter is equal to 4 into side or 4 into A. That means 4 into side is 5 root 2. That is equal to 20 root 2 centimeter is the perimeter. 20 root 2 is the perimeter. So if it is given diagonal of a square means what is the formula? D is equal to A root 2. Root 2A. Otherwise root 2 into side. From that formula we have to got it the side 5 root 2. If you get the side means it is easy to find the area and perimeter. We already know the formula. What is the area? Side square or side into side. Otherwise perimeter 4 into side. It is easy to do this. Okay, I hope you all understood this first problem. Next moving on to the second problem. The second problem is here given the figure is given sin x is given 0.8. Sin x is equal to here 0.8. Sin x degree is equal to 0.8. That means we can write it as 8 by 10 now in fraction. Yes. So from that figure, this is a figure now. A, B, C. So this is the x. Based on this sin x means what we will write? Sin x is equal to opposite side by the hypotenuse. Here given 8 by 10. What is here? Sin x opposite side is this. So AB. So that means AB by AC equal to 8 by 10. That is this is 8 and this is 10. Based on the right angle triangle, how to find the third side means using Pythagoras theorem. From the Pythagoras theorem, we can write it as AC whole square is equal to AB whole square plus BC square. But here we want to find BC. That means BC whole square is equal to AC whole square minus AB square. That means here AC is 10 square minus 8 square. That is equal to 10 is 100 minus 64. 100 minus 64 is equal to here 36. That means BC whole square is equal to 36 and BC is equal to square root of 36. What is the value of square root 36? 6 centimeter. From that here this is 6 centimeter. What is the question? Find the cos x. So cos x is equal to, what is cos x? The adjacent side of x by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side of x? This is BC. So BC by AC, that is equal to 6 by 10 is the answer. In this case, we have to find all the ratios, sine, cos, tan. If you know any two of the sides means using Pythagoras theorem, we have to find the third side. That is the most important thing. After that, if you got the three sides means you have to find all the ratios, sine, cos, tan. Okay, I hope you all understood this all problem. If you have any doubts, please message on the comment box. I will clarify you. Next video is also important problems continuation. So if you like my video, like and share to your friends. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon on the right side. Then only you will get more notifications from my channel. That will help you to achieve 90 plus in your board examination. So thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Till then, bye.